Hi po! Good evening! We have freshly baked cookies, brownies, and croissants available. Sellers po namin, ma'am, for cookies are chocolate, walnut, and triple chocolate. They're still available. And for croissants, they're ham and cheese and pan na chocolate. Which one po, ma'am? Crookie po. Like crookie is basically a croissant. Tapos meron po tayong chocolate chip dough inside and outside. Medyo half-baked po siya sa loob. Total po is 150 grams of chocolate chip dough po siya. For reference, yung cookies namin, yung mga palm size po, 100 grams each siya. So parang 1.5 pieces.
Isa po yung cookie butter blondie.
Alright po, ma'am. Anything else pa po?
Tapos dark chocolate fudge.
Okay po. Anything else, ma'am?
Butter croissant.
Okay po. Ma'am, for butter croissant po, gusto niyo po bang initin natin? Kung kakainin niyo na? Okay po. 2 minutes lang po, sir. Anything else pa po?
Ay lang po.
Okay po. So, that's 1 cookie butter blondie, 1 dark chocolate fudge brownie, and 1 butter croissant. Total po natin is 575. We can do cash card or Gcash.
Kananood po siya ng video.
Thank you. Hello!
Kaya ako yung pina-order niya.
Ma'am, total po natin and it is 575. I received 600. So, sir, dapat kayo pala yung tinest ko kung ano yung best sellers natin. Change niyo po is 25 pesos. And then, 1 moment na lang po for your items. Ano po name nila? Sorry.
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Minutes lang po. Thank you so much, Sir Jonathan. Thank you so much. Enjoy everything. Thank you. Thank you.